So I'm about to start my first working set. I've worked up to this weight. If I walked into the gym and didn't warm up and work up to this and tried this, I'd tear my shoulder out of the socket. So as you would have seen, I start with 2, I do 3, I do 4. Now I'm primed, my nervous system is ready, my joints are ready, my muscles are ready, my mind's ready. I'm ready to do my working weight and my working sets, which are designed with the right intensity to tear down the muscle fibers and actually grow. You end up rounded like this.
Yep.
Lats can't work like that. You're better off yanking back, pulling your chest.
Okay, so maybe a bit of a lean to it.
Yeah, do strict for your first couple, but as soon as you feel yourself start like that.
Yep.
And make sure that sternum is being pulled up. That's money. Perfect. Hold here. Don't reset, big tension at the top. Yep, then lean back. Yep. I want your chest high, man. Chest high. Sit. Another one. One more. Nice.